Xiaomi's Band series has always been popular with fitness lovers. The latest edition, the Xiaomi Band 9, continues this trend. The Xiaomi Band 9 offers several notable improvements over its predecessor: the increased screen brightness, enhanced SpO2 sensor accuracy, better sleep tracking, larger battery, and support for Bluetooth 5.4 all contribute to a superior user experience. It remains an excellent choice for those looking to track their fitness and health. One of the standout upgrades in the Band 9 is the screen brightness. The brightness has doubled from 600 nits in the Band 8 to 1200 nits in the new model. This improvement ensures that the screen is easily visible even in bright sunlight, making it more convenient for outdoor activities. The new brightness level means users can check their stats, read notifications, and see other info on their band without struggling to see the screen. Whether users are running, biking, or just walking outside, the higher brightness enhances visibility and usability. Despite the increase in brightness, the screen size, resolution, and refresh rate remain the same as in the previous model. This decision indicates that Xiaomi is confident in the existing display specs, focusing instead on enhancing visibility and clarity. The consistency in screen size, resolution, and refresh rate means that users familiar with the Xiaomi Band series will find the display just as sharp and smooth as before. By keeping these specs the same, Xiaomi ensures a familiar user experience while improving brightness. The accuracy of the SpO2 sensor in the Band 9 has improved by 10%. This sensor is crucial for monitoring blood oxygen levels, providing users with more reliable health data. Accurate health metrics are essential for users to track their fitness and well-being effectively. Blood oxygen levels are a key health indicator, especially for those with certain health conditions. The improved SpO2 sensor ensures users get more precise readings, which can be vital for tracking overall health and spotting any potential issues early. The sleep tracking function has also seen enhancements. The Band 9 now offers tips on how to improve sleep quality. This feature helps users understand their sleep patterns and make necessary adjustments for better rest, contributing to overall health. With the new tips feature, users can get advice on how to enhance their sleep based on their tracked sleep data. This can include suggestions for bedtime routines, optimal sleep hours, and ways to improve the quality of sleep, helping users feel more rested and energized. The Xiaomi Band 9 comes with a 23% increase in battery capacity compared to its predecessor. While the Band 8 had a 190 mAh battery, the new model boasts a 233 mAh battery. This upgrade ensures longer use between charges, making it more convenient for users who rely on their band throughout the day. With a larger battery, users can enjoy extended periods of use without the need to recharge frequently. This is especially useful for those who use the band for tracking activities and sleep, ensuring they don't miss any data due to low battery. With the always-on display, AOD, turned off, the Band 9 can last up to 21 days on a single charge. This longevity is impressive, allowing users to go weeks without needing to recharge. When it does need charging, the band can be fully charged in just 60 minutes. The fast charging feature means that even when the band does run out of power, users won't have to wait long before it's ready to use again. A full charge in just an hour makes it easy to keep the band ready for use at all times. The Band 9 supports Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring a stable and fast connection with smartphones and other devices. This latest version of Bluetooth offers improved speed and range, enhancing the overall user experience. With Bluetooth 5.4, users can expect a more reliable and quicker connection to their devices. This means fewer interruptions and a smoother experience when syncing data or receiving notifications. Users can sync their Band 9 with the Mi Fitness app. The Mi Fitness app provides a comprehensive platform for tracking health and fitness data. Users can view their stats, track progress over time, and set new fitness goals, making it easier to stay motivated and on track with their health journey. Xiaomi's Band series has consistently provided users with reliable, feature-rich fitness bands. The Band 9 continues this legacy, offering improvements where they matter most. As Xiaomi continues to innovate, users can look forward to even more advancements in future models. For now, the Band 9 stands out as a top choice in the world of fitness bands, combining functionality, style, and affordability. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.